Hello everyone. Welcome to Wonderslate.
Topic for today's quiz is Analogy, Set 6. Question number 1. Indolence is related to work in the same way as taciturn is related to Option A. Cheat. Option B. Act. Option C. Speak. Option D. Observe. The correct answer is Option C. Speak. As indolence and work are opposite to each other in the same way taciturn and speak are opposite to each other. Question number 2. Ophthalmia is related to eye in the same way as rickets is related to Option A. Kidney. Option B. Nose. Option C. Bone. Option D. Heart. The correct answer is Option C. Bone. As ophthalmia is a disease of eye in the same way rickets is the disease of bone. Question number 3. Nun is related to convent in the same way as hen is related to Option A. Nest. Option B. Shed. Option C. Cell. Option D. Coat. The correct answer is Option D. Coat. As dwelling place of nun is convent, similarly the dwelling place of hen is coat. Question number 4. Reading is related to knowledge in the same way as work is related to Option A. Money. Option B. Employment. Option C. Experience. Option D. Engagement. The correct answer is Option C. Experience. As knowledge is achieved by reading in the same way experience is achieved by work. Question number 5. Dress is related to body in the same way as bangles is related to Option A. Glass. Option B. Lady. Option C. Wrist. Option D. Beauty. The correct answer is Option C. Wrist. As dress is worn on body, similarly bangles are worn on wrist. Question number 6. Jackal is related to howl in the same way as cow is related to Option A. Cause. Option B. Hoot. Option C. Coo. Option D. Moo. The correct answer is Option D. Moo. As the sound of jackal is howl, similarly the sound of cow is moo. Question number 7. Table is related to wood in the same way as shirt is related to Option A. Cotton. Option B. Cloth. Option C. Dress. Option D. Uniform. The correct answer is Option B. Cloth. As table is made from wood in the same way shirt is made from cloth. Question number 8. Jade is related to green in the same way as garnet is related to Option A. Red. Option B. Blue. Option C. Orange. Option D. Yellow. The correct answer is Option A. Red. Jade is a green precious stone in the same way garnet is a red precious stone. Question number 9. Flower is related to bud in the same way as fruit is related to Option A. Seed. Option B. Tree. Option C. Flower. Option D. Stem. The correct answer is Option C. Flower. As flower is made from bud, similarly fruit is made from flower. Question number 10. College is related to teachers in the same way as hospital is related to Option A. Doctors. Option B. Patients. Option C. Medicine. Option D. Beds. The correct answer is Option A. Doctors. As teaching is done by teachers in the college, similarly treatment is done by doctors in the hospital. Question number 11. Cat is related to kitten in the same way as woman is related to. Option A. Puppy. Option B. Colt. Option C. Calf. Option D. Baby. The correct answer is option D. Baby, as the young one of a cat is kitten in the same way the young one of woman is baby. Question number 12. Horse is related to hoof in the same way as eagle is related to. Option A. Clutch. Option B. Leg. Option C. Foot. Option D. Claw. The correct answer is option D. Claw, as the foot of the horse is called hoof in the same way the foot of the eagle is called claw. Question number 13. Forest is related to vivarium in the same way as sea is related to. Option A. Pot site. Option B. Water. Option C. Fishery. Option D. Aquarium. The correct answer is option D. Aquarium, as forest and vivarium have the same meaning in the same sea and aquarium have the same meaning. Question number 14. Walk is related to run in the same way as breeze is related to. Option A. Cold. Option B. Dust. Option C. Wind. Option D. Air. The correct answer is option C. Wind, as fast mode of walk is run in the same way fast mode of breeze is wind. Question number 15. Wax is related to grease in the same way as milk is related to. Option A. Drink. Option B. Ghee. Option C. Protein. Option D. Curd. The correct answer is option D. Curd, as grease is prepared from wax in the same way curd is prepared from milk. Question number 16. Dogs is related to bark in the same way as goats is related to. Option A. Bleat. Option B. Crow. Option C. Grunt. Option D. Howl. The correct answer is option A. Bleat, as the cry of dog is called bark in the same way the cry of goat is called bleat. Question number 17. Mountain is related to hill in the same way as river is related to. Option A. Path. Option B. Swimming. Option C. Flowing. Option D. Tank. The correct answer is option D. Tank, as short form of mountain is hill, similarly tank is short form of river. Question number 18. Smoke is related to pollution in the same way as war is related to. Option A. Victory. Option B. Treaty. Option C. Defeat. Option D. Destruction. The correct answer is option D. Destruction, as smoke leads to pollution in the same way war leads to destruction. Question number 19. Calf is related to cow in the same way as kitten is related to. Option A. Deer. Option B. Bear. Option C. Cat. Option D. Duck. The correct answer is option C. Cat, as calf is the youngest of cow, similarly kitten is the young one of cat. Question number 20. Much is related to many in the same way as measure is related to. Option A. Count. Option B. Measures. Option C. Calculate. Option D. Weigh. The correct answer is option A. Count. As much corresponds to many in the same way measure corresponds to counting. Question number 21. Kathak is related to UP in the same way as Odyssey is related to option A. Assam, option B. Kerala, option C. Orissa, option D. Gujarat. The correct answer is option C. Orissa, as Kathak is common in UP in the same way Odyssey is common in Orissa. Question number 22. Metal is related to conduction in the same way as plastic is related to option A. Ground oil chemistry, option B. Industry, option C. Inflammability, option D. Insulation. The correct answer is option C. Inflammability, as conduction is the property found in metal in the same way inflammability is the property found in plastic. Question number 23. Sea is related to ship in the same way as road is related to option A. Traffic, option B. Travelers, option C. Journey, option D. Bus. The correct answer is option D. Bus, as the means of transport in sea is ship. Similarly, the means of transport on road is bus. Question number 24. Rabbit is related to burrow in the same way as lunatic is related to option A. Prison, option B. Cell, option C. Barrack, option D. Asylum. The correct answer is option D. Asylum, as the dwelling place of rabbit is burrow in the same way the dwelling place of lunatic is asylum. Thank you for watching the video. If you'd like practice this quiz, then download the Wonderslate app now. Link in the description below. If you have any suggestion for us, feel free to leave comments. If you liked the video and want to see more of it, hit the thumbs up and don't forget to click on subscribe button to get more updates of the future videos.